Good morning. The time is currently 10 o'clock. The temperature is 28 degrees. So load to iOS 18. On the calculator now, you can actually they've got a currency converter, so it makes my life 10 times easier. Because the app I was using was starting to charge me. Again, not a great sleep. The lady, so we actually extended our stay for a few, two or three extra nights, and I asked her yesterday if we could stay in the same room, and she was like, "Oh, actually, you've been upgraded."
Supplying mosquito spray. Literally, I've been bitten so much, like so much.
True. So I've got an hour's drive ahead of me. Obviously, I do because I'm the driver. Go to My Cow Beach. You can just go on the beach and watch aeroplanes go over you. Something to do, innit? See you in a bit. Hello, doggy! Before I forget the fit check, we've got a red Nike dry fit and the blue Boss swimming trunks. Blue and red, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is that? That, my friend, is the representation of Thailand. Now, you should see this. Would be the perfect picture for you. My lord. It is beautiful, isn't it?
It's amazing. It's crazy.
Do you know what else it is? Bloody hot.
Yeah, I want to get in that sea.
Let's go have a quick look at the old sea. Wow, I mean, just look at it. This place is a joke, man. This place is an absolute joke. What's the sea looking like? Some swimmers over there. Oh, lovely. You can see everything. Get me in that sea. Huh?
So we're at Plain Beach. Honestly, it is beautiful. Like, I can't describe how beautiful this place is. We're a bit further down the beach, but just for the experience, at some point later, we'll probably go to the other side of the beach, this side. And that's where you see the planes taking off.
Why am I wearing a top in the sea? Because my sunburn. It's nearly healed, so. So we just had a bit of lunch from a barbecue. I'll put the picture in now. How bloody good does that look?
So good and so cheap as well.
So it's 60 baht per slab of chicken. I'll put the conversion on there now. I can't remember how much it is.
It's probably just over a pound, I imagine.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, it's bloody delicious. Which actually makes me bring up a lovely point, how everyone was saying, oh, how are you going to cope in Thailand? Oh, you know, you're not going to have chicken nuggets and chips every day.
McDonald's every day.
You know what? Get over yourselves. Look at us now, eh? I can't remember the last time we had Western food.
Yeah, exactly. Like, there's just so many different options.
So many different options, yeah. And Thai food is nice. I mean, what did we have for dinner last night?
Like rice and like duck with this really nice, like, it's so good.
So like, there's so many options out there. Like, if you are thinking about it, then remember there are so many bloody different types of food out there that you can just eat away. Obviously, we had a barbecue today. Did we go Freedom Beach yesterday? We got 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
2 days ago. Had barbecue chicken at Freedom Beach as well. That was bloody delicious.
So good.
Do you know what I mean? It's just like, ooh, chicken nuggets and chips. Get off of it. Get out.
So we're right by the airport. Just over there. There's a plane coming in at the moment. mental. Wow.
Mental, isn't it? Turn up. I've got a cramp in my left leg, defeated it, got a cramp on my right leg, then my left leg went again. And then from there it was just a battle really. My god, does that hurt. The fish weren't even worth it apparently. Apparently they were just little small fishies. Fuck knows. But yeah, god, that was painful. As we left the beach, Molly saw a sign for a waterfall. We just thought, you know what, sack it, let's just go have a look. And we got to the gate over there. It's like a little complex. We got to the gate, and this woman standing in full like camo army gear. She's like, "Oh, entrance fee 400 baht per person." It's like 400 baht per person. That's 18 quid altogether. And I was like, we're not paying that, not at all. And like, you know, it kind of looked like this was an official place, etc., but it's not. This morning was like, we'll give you 200 baht. And I showed her my wallet, and she tries to get another 100 out. I was like, oh no, we need it for dinner. She's like, okay, 200 baht, best price. So we managed to barter our way in.
Look, no, that can't.
Well, no, there's a whale over there, so probably not.
Sounds so sweet.
Do you know what would make this 10 times cooler? A crocodile being in there, or an alligator. Then I'd be like, oh my god.
Can you see that thing?
Tell everybody I'm on my way, and friends and new places to see. Tell you what, we're going to be happy this time we're going uphill rather than down. All this bloody hiking. Woo, 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 woo. Trying to attract some animals.
Already.
Oh, what was that? Boy, 6 afraid of 7. I think he was a fun guy. Well, that's not it. I don't think this is part of the nature trail. I've got the coordination skills of a giraffe on ice skates. I'll go first.
Yeah.
That way, if there's any spiders' webs, I'll walk into them.
Yeah, that's exactly.
I see your logic. I don't think this was made for Crocs, was it?
No.
I hear water. Another bloody jungle hike. Rugrats in Paris, isn't it? Is that the one that get lost in the jungle?
What is?
Rugrats in Paris?
No,
Do you know what Rugrats is?
no.
Oh my god. She doesn't know what Rugrats is. I give up. I'm leaving you here.
Please,
Butter trees. No, butt trees.
butter trees.
Here we have the Thailand and growing in economy. Hundreds, no thousands of them, as they climb towards the tree, searching for food, avoiding predators. Do you reckon you can drink this water? Oh my god, what is wrong with you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What the hell was that? Why don't you go in there?
Be careful, it's probably really slippery. Slippery.
Like that one there?
Be really careful. Sit on it.
That was rather cool. Oh my god, be careful, do not touch that. Oh my god, that is literally a tree from hell. You see it? Ah! You see it? It's got those little like spikes on it. What a horrible tree. Yeah. One there. One there. And one there, you can't really see.
There's no way.
And this is the path. 1, 2, 3!
Yeah.
Cheers guys! Stop and grab!
What a cool hangout spot.
Very bloody cool. Just chilling on a bloody Tuesday afternoon, eating some grub in between a waterfall. Do you know what I mean? Like, do you reckon they're rich? No. Do you reckon they got bagays? No. But do you know what they have got? It's happiness, man. That's what it's all about. You know, unfortunately in somewhere like England, you don't really have that sort of thing. You can't do this shit. Look at it. You can't do this on a Tuesday afternoon. So, you know, it's so much more different living in England than being there, because all you've got is bloody Thorpe Park and Alton Towers, which are obviously amazing. But you know what I mean? Like, it's just incredible, man. Absolutely incredible. Who needs money when this is where you live? You know, I could come in with the boys. But this is mental. This is the beauty of just, you know, not having a plan, just going with the flow and being spontaneous. You know, we're in the middle of this rainforest, this jungle. You know, it's a Tuesday afternoon at R3. Like, it's ridiculous.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Hello, it's out of grab. Off to get some scran. Welcome back, Mr. Vest. Missed it, you know. Very tired after today. It's been a very old long day, as you probably see in the vlog. We've got the room upgrade though, which is alright. Same old aircon, just a bit more space, and there's actually a smaller, I got a second pillow, a smaller pillow. So, did we?
Put it in the wardrobe because like it's a bit manky. Like they probably don't wash the pillows.
Great. So yeah, I don't know where we're going for food. We'll go for a stroll somewhere. I'm a bit tired, and a bit sore. And it's starting to lightning. But there's no rain or thunder. Very odd. So, scran done. Just in 7-Eleven now looking for a dessert. We had a bit of a Western craving, so we got a pizza. And it was jank, so we won't be doing that again. Molly was saying anyway that the local food is nice, and it is. We both agree it is. So why we both agreed to get pizza, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, interact. Come on, interact with me, guys. Subscribe. 69% of you are not subscribed. That's not very nice, is it? So get subscribed, follow us on TikTok. Until then, all the best, God bless, and ciao for now.